A warm welcome to my students of class 6 standard. Today I am going to start chapter number 7, pronouns. Okay, pronouns. Now, in this particular chapter, the chapter I have divided into two parts, part 1 and part 2. Part 1 I will be explaining today, and in my next class I will be explaining about part 2. Okay, now let us start the chapter. Now, before starting the chapter, let me tell you that whatever notes I made on my own. Of course, I have taken reference from our cornerstone grammar book, but in the grammar book that much detail is not given. So to make my students understand in a more detailed manner or in a very easy manner, I made my own notes. So the videos which you will be watching, my students, it is apart from the book. But once you will understand the concept of the pronoun, you will be easily able to understand. The concept which is there in our own grammar book. Okay, now let us start. Now part 1. Okay, this one, words. Now what do you mean by pronoun? Define pronoun. Words used in the place of a noun are called pronouns. So the words which are used in the place of a noun are called pronouns. Example, if I say Mr. Sharma works in a school, full stop, he goes to school in his car. Okay, now I'm making video, and of course you will see the flash in your camera, in your screen also. Now instead of saying this, if I'll say Mr. Sharma works in a school, Mr. Sharma goes to school in Mr. Sharma's car. So it will become very lengthy. Okay, now so in order to avoid the names again and again, okay, Ram went to market, Ram purchased some grocery items, Ram took the rickshaw, Ram came to a house, Ram cooked the food, Ram served the lunch. If I'll say all this, how many times did I take the name of that particular person? Now this is not done and it looks awkward. So to avoid taking names again and again, we use this pronoun. Mr. Sharma works in a school, full stop, he goes. Now instead of Mr. Sharma, what I'm telling, he goes to school in his car. So what is pronoun here? The pronoun is he and the pronoun is his. Okay, now his and his are pronouns here, correct? Now some points you have to remember regarding pronoun. What are they? A pronoun takes the same position a noun in a sentence. Yes, a pronoun takes the same position as noun in the sentence. As noun takes, pronoun also takes the same sentence. How? Example, you see, he loves, suppose I say Shyam loves to play guitar. So instead of saying Shyam, I can say excuse me, he loves to play guitar. He loves to play guitar. So he instead of Shyam, अगर हम यहाँ श्याम लिखते तो श्याम would be noun. So instead of Shyam, what I'm adding here, he. So it is taking the place of a noun. Understood? So this can take place of a noun. Some points to remember I have made so that you will understand in a more easy and cheesy manner. Okay. Next one, point number 2. Like a noun, pronoun also plays the role of a subject or object in the sentence. So pronoun can take the position of both the subject and the object. Next, point number 3. A pronoun should also agree with the verb in the sentence, both in gender and number. So I'm underlining here, you have to understand both in gender and in number. How? Example, you see, Shalini is my friend. Suppose I'll say Shalini is my friend. She is a great dancer. So Shalini is my friend. Full stop. This is one sentence. Now instead of telling Shalini, what I am telling, she is a great dancer. So it can take the role of a gender. Suppose if instead of Shalini, I would have written Ashok. Okay, Ashok is my friend, or any other name, your choice. Ashok is my friend. He is a great musician. So if the name of the girl, if the name is girl's name, then we will add she. If the name is the boy name, we will add he. So this comes under gender, which I taught you in the previous lecture, previous chapter. She, okay, girl, she, and boy, he. So these are the things or the points which you need to remember. Now look at the second degree, students, which I'm going to tell. Now, kinds of pronoun. What are the different kinds of pronoun? Students, there are in our grammar book there are 9 types of pronoun, but here I made only 7. In this only I will cover all the kinds of pronoun. Okay, now what are they? What are the kinds of pronoun? The main kinds of pronouns are personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, relative pronoun, and emphasizing pronoun. Correct. Now let's start understanding one by one the kind of pronoun. Now come to this. First of all, personal pronoun. Pronouns that take place of a place or thing is called person. Person. See the name. Person. Personal means apna khud. Person. It's my personal thing. So pronouns that take place of a place or thing is called as personal pronoun. They can be either singular or plural. So it can be either singular or plural. Now, uses of personal pronoun. There are many different factors on which personal pronouns can be used. First of all, no need to remember all this, but for your minute study, for your further study, when you will go to 7, 8, 9, 10, it will come into use. Okay, whatever points I am teaching you, this is an extra point, but you just have to remember it. Nothing will come in exam. Personal pronoun means my. It is my personal. Uses of personal pronouns. We use personal pronouns depending upon number. For what is that number? Now the number could be singular or plural. Singular or plural. Example. Okay, grammar is incomplete without example, students. Example. Ram went to a party. Full stop. He enjoyed it. So Ram went to a party. Is it a singular or plural? I am talking only about one character, that is Ram. 1. Ram went to a party. He enjoyed it. Now come to the plural sentence example. Children went to a party. Now what is the singularity of children? Child. Okay. So children is plural form of child. Children went to a party. Full stop. So what I can this add here? In the case of Ram, I added he because Ram is a male character. Children, in children we can have girls and boys, So here we have to add they. What is that? They. T-H-E-Y. They enjoyed it. So यहाँ पे what will be the pronoun? In the case of Ram, he. In the case of children, they. Okay. So the personal pronoun can be singular as well as plural on the basis or on the category of number. Next one, gender. Male, female. And how many types of genders are there? Students, come on. There are 3 types of gender. Male gender, female gender, and a neuter gender. Example. Shalini is in the pool. She loves swimming. Can I say like this? Shalini is in the pool. He loves swimming. Or Shalini is in the pool, it loves swimming. No, it will be very erratic, nasty. Okay, wrong. So when the name is of girl, female, we have to add she. Shalini is in the pool, full stop, she loves swimming. Simple. So what is the pronoun here? She. Correct? Next one. Personal pronoun is also dependent on person. Okay, person. What is that? Now these all details you will not find in our grammar book. So for making you understand in a more better form, I made my notes. It includes first person, second person, and third person. First person, second person, and third person. For this, please refer our own grammar book, Cornerstone, page number 29. Please refer page number 29 of our grammar book. Correct? Next one, so you understood all about the personal pronoun which we use for the personal. It depends upon the number, it depends upon the gender, it depends upon the person. Number, gender, person. Okay. Next one the second category is possessive pronoun. So what do you mean by possessive pronoun? Possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun. Possessive means I'm possessive about my yellow pen. I love this yellow pen. This is mine. Mera hai. Okay, this is called as possessiveness. Liking. Possessive pronoun means pronouns that shows possession are called possessive pronoun. Possession. Possession. Whose bag is this? Whose pouch is this? Whose pen is this? It is mine. It is my. It is my friend. It is like that. Now example of possessive pronoun. See, this bag is mine. Don't touch my bag. This is mine. My father has gifted me. Second example, the keys on the table are yours. Whose are that keys? These keys which are on the table are yours. Tumhara hai. It is yours. This is called as possessive pronoun. Okay, students. So in part 1 I have done. So in part 1 I have explained about the definitions of pronoun. I told about the some points to remember. Okay, some factors which we need to understand so that we will not crump any kind of mistake in this while using pronoun. I told you about different factors of pronoun, and I discussed only one pronoun, that is for personal pronoun, and the second pronoun which is possessive pronoun. I hope you have understood part 1. So just wait for my next video of part 2. Thank you.